Hey guys, today we're going to be fishing at Susquehanna River, and this is in August, I believe. And today was actually, I went to the lake early in the morning, but I got no lucks in them. So it was my first time into that lake, and when I come back, I went home and eat for a little bit. Then after lunch, I came out to the river by my house here, and I never fished this section before. So this is my first time out fishing, and I actually surprised how many fish holding along the river here. The sewer treatment plant is actually on my left if you look from the video. So it's kind of discharged the water coming out. It actually doesn't smell that bad, but I kind of get the sense of it. But anyway, it's holding a good fish along the banks here because it's hot today and the fish just hang out along the shore. So I've been throwing all top water. Wahoo plopper I got from Bass Pro, the one with the two spiral one. I do notice that it's gonna be storm coming in like half an hour. I think by 2:40, 2:30. If you look at my watch, it said 1:47. And pretty much I got an hour of fishing to do. But actually the storm came in a lot faster than what I was expecting. So that's why this video is kind of short. But I caught a lot of fish. A lot more fish than the last video, because it just, I think it's just the right time, the air pressure probably lower because the storm's coming. This fish right here actually one of the better one, I believe. That's why I've been catching a lot of smaller ones, so I wasn't like excited to catching with using the net and anything. Also right here you can see me try to untie my river stick right behind me here. You can hear it hitting the bottom and it tried to drag. I made this river stick, which is like DIY power pole, I made it actually really cheap. I probably gonna end up making video about it. It actually really useful for me, especially in the river. I think the cost of the whole build material and time stuff probably less than like $50. I got the fiberglass rod for $25 online, and I use a cutting board, something like that, for a bracket. I'm definitely going to make video about it. Look how fast.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
As you can see right now, I'm actually trying to rush back to the lounge because you can see how dark it gets now. So I've had to use my motor is running full power, and my you have to use the hand pedal to help me to go by a little bit faster. I barely make it back on time before the rain start hitting pretty hard. So yeah, you can see the rain just come right through. I'm right underneath the highway right now, so I kind of get some shading from the rain while I'm packing up. So yeah, if you guys have any question, please let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. If you like the content, please subscribe and or follow me on KAYAKBSFISHING at Instagram. And yeah, thank you for watching.